G'day guys, so we're here. I've finally made it out fishing. We've been on our trip for 2 weeks and I haven't wet a line at all, but I've found some wicked racks I'm gonna have a crack at and probably lose a lot of stuff. I've never fished racks before, but we better get casting, I suppose. Boats are got. We're on Mr. Take. It's just a nice bream by the looks of that. Oh mate. Wow. Look at him guys. New South Wales bream. Yeah. Whew. Gone. Woohoo! Ooh, the reel sounds horrible. Oh. Oh, he's huge. I'm gonna get smoked. I think he's reefed me. Fucking huge! It was fucking massive, reefed Bart. Yeah. Woo. Oh no, we're gonna get smoked. Oh, he's behind it, I think. Behind it. Just didn't cast them all. Right. Oh, that's unstoppable, mate. Whether they want my lure or not is another thing. Yes, that is sick. Come out of there, buddy. Oh, you. Yes, got one. Get out of that bloody rack, mate. What is it? Nice bream. Yeah, boy. Oh yeah, that's a ripper of a bream. Woohoo! Whew. I don't even look at him. He's good. He's a real nice bream. I'm going for it. Oh, I'm gonna lose this one. This is nuts. Doing it. Hold on, mate. Cheap reel. Here we go. I want this fish. I really want him. I'm in my jogs. It's kind of cold. Alright, sorry Rod, I love ya, but here we go. Kayak, don't run away on me. He's gone down here. Don't pull too hard. He's just down there, I can feel him. He's in there. Who's he? Big Bream. Come on mate, come out. We can both know that you're in there, and if you come out, I'll release you. You don't need to worry about that. Oh, we've got him. After all that, there he is. He's a bit knackered, I think. You're a big boy. Alright, I've got to quickly release this fella, I reckon. So he'll be stuffed. He'll be absolutely stuffed after that. Oh, look at that. Yeah. Another fella. Alright, Kayak, don't float away too far. Yeah. Well guys, that was pretty nuts. I can't say I've ever gone swimming after a fish to untangle it, get it free, but he was a good Bream. I really love that lure, the dial double touch, so didn't want to lose it. Anyway, I hope you liked this video. As always, please like, subscribe and share. Check out Facebook page, and until next one, see you then.